Hey guys, what's up? So the day we've been waiting for is finally here. Samsung has announced an event for the 23rd of September where they will be announcing the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, and they've even named the event as Galaxy Unpacked for every fan, giving us a slight hint as to what to expect from it. And of course, it is the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition that we have been waiting for so eagerly. The launch trailer shows all the colors the S20 Fan Edition is supposed to come in, so that is another hint. The event is scheduled for 10 AM Eastern Time, which is 7:30 PM Indian Standard Time. It is going to be an online-only event, much like the previous two Unpacked events for the Note 20 Ultra and the Z Fold 2 that you can watch on Samsung's website or YouTube. The phone might come in two variants, one with 4G while the other one gets 5G support. The 5G variant will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC, whereas the 4G variant gets the Exynos 990. In European markets, however, you will have the option to buy any variant you want, which is interesting since Samsung generally doesn't let you do that. But we'll have to see if any other market also gets to choose between the two variants, especially India, since we got the 5G variant of the Note 20 Ultra, albeit with the Exynos 990. The phone gets a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, but it will be protected by the older Gorilla Glass 3. You also get a 32-megapixel camera on the front inside the centered punch hole, while on the back there is a triple camera setup with a 12-megapixel primary, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and an 8-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. The cameras on the S10 Lite were really good, so I have high hopes from the S20 Fan Edition as well. And in my opinion, it will be on par with the Galaxy S20, especially with the primary and the ultra-wide. You get a decent 4500 mAh battery inside with a 25W fast charging option, so the battery life should be better than the S20 Plus since you have a lower resolution as well as a smaller display. Plus you also get wireless charging, so that is great. The phone is also supposed to be IP68 certified, so you do have some improvements over the S10 Lite, but you'll have to pay more at around $850 while the S10 Lite was launched for around $650. Also in the news, Samsung has bagged a deal to manufacture all the Snapdragon 875 chips from Qualcomm. Last month, it was reported that Samsung lost to TSMC yet again, but it seems like that is not the case. In fact, this is the first time that Samsung Foundry has received orders to manufacture all of the 875 chips. The size of the contract is estimated to be around $844 million. The Snapdragon 875 will be manufactured on Samsung's 5nm EUV process and will be unveiled in December while appearing in devices in the first quarter of the next year. It is believed that Samsung has undercut TSMC in terms of pricing, so they will be manufacturing the 875 for cheaper, which also means the cost of the phones with 875 may also go down. What's interesting is that Samsung will also be making the Snapdragon 875G SoC along with 735G and some 400 series chips. So what this indicates is that Qualcomm has plans to introduce a gaming variant of the 875 SoC as well, which they haven't done in a while. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Smash the like button if you liked it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.